Welcome. If you want to check serial number of your fake AirPods Pro connected to your iPhone, at the first you have to open charger case of the AirPods, then move to the settings, go for the Bluetooth settings, and when they will be available on the list, we have to connect to this AirPods. Here they are, so just simply connect. And if you are already connected, you have to tap on the information icon. Just wait a minute and it will be pops after a few moments. In my case, here it is, so tap. And when you tap on it, you can scroll down. And as you can see, right here we can find the serial number of the fake AirPods Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!